So today I'm putting together some overnight oats. This makes for a easy and quick, yummy breakfast the next day. You make it and then leave it in the refrigerator overnight and have it for breakfast the next morning. And it's super yummy. It's very filling. It's more of a healthier breakfast on the go. So here's the ingredients I'm going to use, and there's a million variations you can do when making these overnight oats. There's probably 100 recipes or more on the internet of different combinations you can put together. But this one's my favorite. It's kind of a tropical. So we've got some chopped pecans. I've got some unsweetened flakes of coconut, some vanilla yogurt, oatmeal, syrup, pineapple, and almond milk. Now I like to add the maple syrup and a little bit of the pineapple juice to sweeten it up, but that's probably because I'm using unsweetened almond milk. So if you're using a sweeter or a sweetened milk, you probably don't need to add the syrup. So this is super easy. It's so filling too that sometimes one of these jars, we split it for breakfast and we're not hungry for hours. So I'm going to put about 1/3 of a cup of oatmeal in. It's easy to put too much because it expands. I might be able to I'll just put a little bit more. So a heaping 1/3 of a cup. I'm going to put in, it's about 1/4 cup of yogurt. We're going to do our pecans. Is it pecan or pecan? I don't know. Pecans. And coconut. Kind of making a mess here. That's all right. Get that in there. We're going to do a little bit of syrup, maybe just like a tablespoon. Maybe more than a tablespoon. I don't know. I don't like to measure. And then we're going to do some pineapple chunks. Yeah, looks good already. That's probably like 1/2 of a cup of pineapple, I'd say, give or take. And then we're not going to put too much more in there so we have room for our milk. And I'm just going to put in a spoonful of the juice, again, just to sweeten things up. And then we're going to add milk. Leave some room for expansion. And now you just want to stir it up, or even just put the lid on and shake it. That works too. So by the time we go to eat this tomorrow, all the liquid will be soaked up, and it's like a little oatmeal casserole or something. It's very good. Alright, so then you just put the lid on. I think I will give it a shake. Mix it up real good. That's going to go in the fridge overnight. When you're ready to eat it, you just grab a spoon, pop the top, and there you go. You could even eat this like in the car while you're driving to work or something. All right, that's it. Can't really see that one very well, but these will go in the fridge overnight. We'll see how they are tomorrow. All right, Ed is enjoying some of the overnight oats that I made last night. How are they?
Good.
Good? Yummy. Okay.